can be the best of your life.
3, 2, 1, and
right.
Good morning. You're live, Linda.
Yes, I am.
You are
alive too.
I'm alive too.
All right, so we've been talking about the stomach stretching, acid increasing, and you get that feeling, that burning sensation, you get the bloating and stuff. So hopefully now you're starting to understand why.
100%.
So what I want to do today is share with you what I do when I have that problem. It's a very simple remedy. Yes, guess what? Sometimes I do mix my meat with my potato.
See?
All right, I do.
You're human like us. Okay, fantastic.
You know what? Awesome. Life is a balance, and sometimes the balance means a cookie in each hand. Okay? We've got this problem. We got this feeling. What are we going to do? We can pop an antacid, or we could use Mother Nature's miracle cure,
which is
apple cider vinegar. When you get the apple cider vinegar, you want to make sure it has what they call the mother. Okay? So it's hard to see it in here, but a lot of times if it's been sitting, because we've been moving around a lot here, but you'll see the stuff on the bottom. Okay? That's called the mother. And mothers take care of us.
Okay.
That's what you do. Basically what I do is I will do a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. I will mix it with a tablespoon of honey
just to kind of dilute it a little bit.
Water and sweeten it up. It's an acid. Because the interesting thing is that because your stomach is expanding, thinking, oh, there's more food coming in, we got to make more acid, make more acid. Ironically, when you bring acid in, it turns the acid pumps off. For me, this stuff works like within 30 seconds to a minute.
So just you take like a warm cup, like you're making a tea or a coffee or whatever,
not
fill it up.
Hot,
right, just warm. A tablespoon of the vinegar, add a little bit of honey, mix it up, and then drink it
down.
Okay, well, that's pretty simple.
Yeah, and you know the thing is that apple cider vinegar, it is called Mother Nature's miracle cure because it's very high in potassium. And the problem we've got is potassium and sodium work together in the body, and what's happening? Because of processed foods, because of fast foods, we've got so much sodium coming in, our potassium is going down. Okay. So if you're feeling tired, lethargic, droopy eyelids are a sign
not tired?
of low potassium. All right, I do 2 tablespoons every day.
I'm gonna bring duct tape. Hi, Linda. I feel great. So I do, because again, I'm learning as we go here. I feel so healthy. So I now hydrate before I caffeinate.
Thank you.
Thank you to Linda on that one. So every morning, you know, heat up water, put a little bit of lemon in it, maybe a drop of honey in there. Could I just add it?
Sure. You know, this is what's wonderful about this too is that it's got malic acid in it, so it makes it antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral.
Oh.
Hello, Victoria here, the editor-in-chief for Healthy Nuts. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video, and we'll see you next time.